morning. Look what they did to my driveway yesterday while I was sleeping. Cute, huh? Yep, you guessed it, it snowed again last night. We're at 33 degrees this morning. Took them all morning, or all day yesterday just to do that. I don't know if you can see the water trailer. But there goes Kieran. Hey! Hey! Morning! This is our morning ritual. He'll come running back. And jumps up, back to the car. It's going to be a really short drive today or walk today. It's cold, cold, cold. You want in? Do you want in? Do you want to go for a ride? Do you want to go for a ride? All right. Look at my dirty car. Okay, you wait. He'll sit there until I'm ready. It takes me an hour. He don't care. Yep, see, it snowed. You can see the water pouring off the trailer. Anyway, we're going to get ready to go for a ride. Brr. Later.